Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Chuck from Angry Birds. So grab your marker and follow along with me. So we're going to start with the beak first. We're going to start here at the corner. I'm just going to draw a line out, going upwards. And then on top, I'm going to draw the top of the beak. And I'm going to take it all back and connect it. And then thereafter, I'm just going to take it all the way around and then the bottom of the beak. Next up, we're going to draw the eyes. So I'm just going to draw two straight lines next to each other, and then I'm just going to make it round at the bottom, and I'll do the same on this side as well. And thereafter, like with the pupils, iris, a pupil, and then we're going to draw two light reflections, and we're going to fill the pupils in so the eyes are a bit smaller. And now the eyelids. I'm just going to draw two upward curved lines for the eyelids as well. And then right above that, we're going to draw the eyebrows. Nice square eyebrows as well. Now we're going to draw Chuck's head. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start way up top, and I'm going to make a curve downwards to the eyebrows, past the face, to the beak. I'm going to leave a space open, and then I'm just going to draw another shape down, almost like a banana shape. And then right on top, I'm going to draw feathers. So what I'll do, I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a feather around. I'm going to take it back, I'm going to stop right there, and then here I'm going to continue with it like this. Now here at the back there's another feather, but what I'll do, I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw a single line back to the head, and then I'm going to take it all the way up, cross it, and back to this feather as well. And now we can connect the top of the head to the feathers. Next up, I'm going to draw the belly. So I'm going to start here at the beak, I'm going to follow this line, and I'm going to bring it all the way around. And I'm going to stop roughly right there. Now it's time for the wing. I'm going to draw a wing, and I'm going to draw fingers as well. The feathers that looks like fingers, that looks like hands. And I'm just going to bring it back like this. And now that I have this, I'm going to draw the tail section. So I'm going to keep this banana shape, and I'm going to bring it back there. And now we can draw legs. I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a leg. And here at the bottom, just behind that, another leg. And now I'm going to go back to the top, or let's start at the bottom, and I'll just draw the belly. And now let's draw the feet. So I'm going to start with this one. So first of all, I'm just going to draw a big toe, and right next to it I'll draw another toe, and I'll bring the feet back. And on this side we'll draw another toe. And now from this side, we're going to start here. We're going to draw a big toe, and then a smaller toe in front. I'm going to bring it all the way back to the foot as well. And then maybe I can just make a little. And now on this side there's a hand or a wing, so I'm going to do the bottom part first, and I'm just going to draw a finger. And now what I will do, I'm going to draw fingers here. So I'm going to draw two fingers, 1, 2 fingers, and I'm just going to connect it. And then right here I'm going to draw a thumb, so it looks almost like a hand. And then lastly, we're just going to draw tail feathers as well. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start far away, and I'm just going to make a straight line back, and I'll do the same thing like this. And then from here, I'm just going to draw a feather sticking out, and then maybe a smaller feather there, and then right behind it maybe another small feather. And then here at the bottom, you can draw a feather sticking out to the bottom as well. And there we go, and there's Chuck. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. And I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.